Come and review and unbox this Mini Brands Masterchef Create with me. There are 11 to unbox, including a rare apple pie. The seal doesn't pull off in one, which is annoying, but this makes my heart sing. Recycled plastic and it feels great, nice and matte, and this pulls alright until I'll let go of it and knock over the sink. But it's all good, we got back. So here is the first thing out, the UV light in most of them to set the resin. Great incentive. The little chef's hats, they switch on at the bottom, on and off. So you just use them when you need them. So cool. So let's open our first packet, again recyclable of this. And here is the little display platter, and you get some tongs and a fork. There was a knife and I didn't see it at the time, but we found it later on, so they're easy to assemble. And on to the second packaging. Let's see what we've got. We've got the lamb cutlets with the veg and finishing glaze. Couldn't get my words out. And here are the instructions, nice and easy laid out. There is the finishing glaze. And it comes with a lid so you can pipe it on nicely. And here's the lamb. What a lovely packaging. Love that. So let's open the next one. We have in here the plate. Oh, we pulled it out twice. And the vegetables. We get a mat. So let's set it up and start cooking. We're going in with the finishing glaze, just changing over the lids. Now at this point I'm going to just pipe it all on, and I'm going to just be quiet and let you enjoy watching me make this dish. You can see what I'm doing by the way I am doing things in order. I'll just say at this point that the tongs were super good to grip things because they've got little nibs at the end, so it makes picking things up super easy, so that got a plus point from me. Now I did decide to stick the fork in and seal the resin with the fork in, just for an added showstopper. And then I'm finishing with the garnish and we can set. Look how cool that looks. I love the colour of it. Just going to speed it up a little bit, so that is it. So about 5 to 10 minutes until you can see the resin is firmly set. Let's get it ready for display. And there it is, the glazed lamb. Couldn't you just get your chops around that? Oh, it looks so tasty. I enjoyed making these, and I love these Mini Brands Create. Have you tried them yet? Let me know in the comments what you have.